In this video we are going to see about app called Green Android app, and this is the project workflow of this app. In this Green Android app we have some scenarios called Green Android, active wake lock, detective wake lock, start sensory data, and Green Android menu. And this is the Green Android app. Here now the Green Android app is started, and this is the smartphone application for the power management process. Now the process is started to activate. Here we have some options. First, a green droid, which is the setting process. In this setting, the first is activating process. If Green Android is on, now the process is started. If it is disabled, the process is stopped. So now it is in activated process. After that we have activate wake lock, which is a Wi-Fi. When the wake lock is on, the Wi-Fi is on. When the wake lock is off, the Wi-Fi is off. So here we have started with that process. Now activating wake lock, here it shows that Wi-Fi connection is on, and when the deactive wake lock is activated, the Wi-Fi connection will be lost. And in start sensory data, it has some modes called night mode, like that different kinds of modes were activated to this sensor data. After that, in the menu process we have some settings. In this setting we can enable or disable the modes which we unwanted. After that we have a log durations. In this duration we can set the time. Log detection, in this log detection also we can set the time. After that we have some services. Enable the service while charging, enabling the process, and sensor services called a night mode option, which we can inactive or active while the data mode is on. After that we have some broadcast receivers. This is the synchronization process which registered to run by calling certain Android library ARPs. After that we have state sensitive metric. This is it will automatically enable the app for the utilization of that power management. By this 5 case of scenarios, this app was running. So in this app we can manage the power during the data. We can set the durations, and we can enable or disable the process, and we can sync the process.